So hello everyone. Today we are going to see how to install OBS in our system. So now let's go to the Chrome browser and then we will search OBS in the search bar. And then we will choose OBS and click on enter. And you can see here the first link is OBS project, that is the official website of OBS, and we will just click on open broadcaster software and then we will be redirected to their website. So you can see here it is asking for which operating system do you have, like Windows, Mac OS or Linux. So I have Windows. I will choose Windows here and it will start downloading. And I have already installed the OBS, so I am not actually installing it again. So let's click on OBS here and we will click on yes. And you will just click on next and proceed. I'm actually recording in OBS, so I would not be able to install this software now. So you will just need to click on next and proceed with this software and install in your system. And if you face any difficulties, please let me know in the comment section. And this is the end of this video, and I think this video is very useful for you. And thank you so much for watching this till the end. And if you have any feedback, please let me know in the comment section. And also if you have any other suggestions to make video on, please let me know. I will make it as soon as possible. Thank you.